Hi everybody, welcome to today's video. Evaporator coil inside. When you go inside to put that larger coil in, you find out there's not space in that plenum, in that ductwork, for that coil to fit. So you think you're going to get a quote for a new AC system. Once the guys come out and look at it, you realize the thing literally physically isn't going to fit. You have to redo your ductwork, and when you redo your ductwork, your furnace isn't going to fit anymore. Now you need to buy a new, smaller, more efficient furnace to fit where your old furnace was. So what used to be a $300 or $400 refrigerant leak is now a $6,000 to $8,000 HVAC system replacement. And that is exactly what happened to me with this house about 4 years ago. Our coil went bad. We started looking at it. We could have replaced the coil for about $1,500, but the condenser outside was getting kind of old and long in the tooth, and frankly, it was pretty noisy. So we said, well, let's upgrade the entire air conditioning system to a newer, quieter, more efficient unit. We did it for the quiet, but the efficiency was a bonus. When we did that, we started looking at the furnace thinking, well, we really need to make some more space for that A coil in here. Our furnace is also pretty long in the tooth, so we might as well bite the bullet and replace that furnace with a new super efficient, quiet, variable speed model. And while we're doing that, the knuckleheads that put this HVAC system in my house to begin with did a lousy job with the ductwork. Let's redo the ductwork in the basement and zone the system, because we'd always had kind of uneven heating and cooling in this house. So what should have been a $1,500 fix 4 years ago ballooned for us into a $12,000 system replacement, which has honestly resulted in a much quieter, much more efficient, much better HVAC system, and I am very, very happy with it. But it is a great illustration of the pitfalls now that you're facing in the HVAC world, that what used to be a cheap, easy fix leads to replacing the entire HVAC system.